Hey guys, Matt here today. In this video I'm going to give my Honda Integra a full interior and exterior clean out. So we're going to start with the passenger side. There's all this random stuff, I don't know what this is, like some sort of cushion, CD, just a bunch of stuff that's not needed inside the car. Oh no. Oh my god. I think I found a bit of a problem. Look at all that water. I'm gonna have to get that out. But there's quite a bit of rust going on here, which is unfortunate. Didn't know about that. But yeah, I'll get that cleaned up. And the spare's really rusty as well. Luckily I got another spare of the VTIR blades that are on the car right now. As we can see, the car definitely needs a whole lot of cleaning, especially in here, which is what I'll have to deal with in a sec. Got leaves and water everywhere in here, and it doesn't smell too good either, so I just took out the whole back lining of the seat and also the boot lining, which is the bottom floor. Looks like we got some sort of phone charger or something in here from really old phone, like probably from 2000, so I'm going to get rid of that as well. Unfortunately it's drilled into the interior of the car, but it'll leave a couple of holes, but that's alright. Now I'm going to take out these seats. It doesn't look very nice underneath the seats, so I'm going to take them out and vacuum and clean underneath. So I've taken a lot of the interior out of the car, and it's just going to sit here for a bit because I'm going to put it all back in soon. But the inside of the car is looking pretty clean now. It's definitely going to need a wipe down, which is what I'm going to do next. But this is a starting point, so I can just give it a full deep clean. So the car seems to have some sort of Nokia handheld phone thing, and I want to get rid of that because it just like takes up room and it looks ugly. So I'm just going to cut the wires off and tape them up with some electrical tape. There's also an antenna up the top, which I'll have to get rid of on the windscreen in the top left hand corner. Alright, now it's time to clean the outside of the car. It's pretty dirty outside, especially the wheels. You can see all the brown stuff like brake dust and all that. So I'm going to get rid of all of that, and also all this mess on the paintwork. There's lots of dirt on the car, so I'm going to get rid of all of that. Alright guys, so the car's finally all clean and I can see what I'm working with, but I reckon this car hadn't been washed for about 6 months because of how the dirt stuck to the paint. It was really hard to get it off. And yeah, we can definitely see that the car needs a whole load of paintwork eventually. There's like scratches and stuff everywhere. The wheels aren't completely clean either. I couldn't get all the dirt off them, which was a bit annoying, but when I do the coilovers eventually I'll get all that dirt off with the pressure cleaner or something. But the interior was definitely the most dirty part. I disinfected and wiped the whole inside because of how dirty it was. Pretty disgusting, but yeah, I got everything out of there as well. There was like random stuff like axe handles, and I don't even know what else the other stuff was. I couldn't even tell. But yeah, thanks guys for watching, and mods will be coming in the next few videos.